evening everyone. Good evening, happy Sunday. In today's video, I have something to tell you, just a word of advice. Always be happy is the title of my topic today. This life, we need to always be happy. No matter the circumstances, no matter anything that come across our way, we need to always be happy and put our trust in God. In this world we are into, we all always pass through difficult things and another. But with God, all things are possible. We need to always be on ourselves. No matter what we are passing through, we don't need to tell anyone. Instead of us to be narrating ourselves, we need to lay down and cry to God. Because He's the owner of our life, He's the owner of our soul. He's the author and the finisher of our faith. Like now, we have problem. We said, who will I tell this my problem to? We run to our friends. Because his friends will always have to talk to. It's not good. It's not that it's not good to talk to a friend. But I don't know how to put it. Like this earlier time we are into. You will tell your friend something, explain things to him, but he will mock at you. Out of 100 friends, before you will see true friend, 2 friends will not be more than 10. Then you will tell him, my friend, see what I'm passing through. He will went to another person to go and tell him, see what so person is passing through. They will be mocking at you. Instead of you to do that, lay down on your knees and cry to God. And always have joy in you. Always be happy. No matter what you are passing through, always be happy. Because the devil, they want to see us sharing tears, feeling sad. We are saying devil. It's we human being that the devil is using. They always want us to be sharing tears, to feeling sad. So we need to get up on our seat and always be happy. When they see you that you are happy, maybe one trial and another come. It's not that trial will not come. Trial will come. But when you are happy, you are always joyful. The people that is disturbing you, they will say, upon what we are doing to this person, he's not even thinking about it. He's not even crying. Because they want us to be crying. When you are always, you all dress up, my name is Joy. I always have joy in me. But this time 3 years ago, who know me before, when he see me now, he will surprise. God always do a great thing in my life. Before, I always sad, I always cry. But since when I wake up, I say, no, this tears is not my own. I started happy. No matter what come across my way, no matter the temptation, I always happy. I say, God, I leave everything to you. Since I started, God has doing great thing in my life. Because the people that is behind our problem, they are the one that will come to us to come and sympathize with us, to come and say they are advising us, and they are the person that is killing us. They are the person that is eating us up. They are the one that is killing us. They come and sympathize with us. As many of us that is in Europe here, sometimes we pass through difficult things. It's not only our friends, even some of our family, they are evil. We call them, see what I'm passing through. Then we say, don't worry, how will you? Then we told you, don't worry, everything will be okay. Some of them are behind your problem. They are the one that behind our problem. Where we will think that they love us. They did not love us. They think that this Europe, we are picking money on the floor. They don't know the type of suffering we used to suffer. Instead of us to be telling our people, our family, some of our family, and our friends, our secret, we need to cry to God. When you cry to your God, even though you are sleeping or you are walking, anywhere you call your God, He will always answer you. And when you decide to call your God, always wear that garment of happiness, that garment of joy. Then we come. Maybe you are just passing through difficulty. Then we come. How are you doing today? I'm very fine. Yours told them you are fine. Yours be happy, rejoice. When they leave, them say, upon everything, what would they do to this person? You know they feel am. You know they think, if they happy. I don't see and say they happy. I don't see and say they happy. Abi what we are doing to him is not affecting him. Then we begin to question themselves. When they come, you did not tell them anything about you. They will not understand you again. Some friends, you used to tell them, my friend, maybe by this time next month I want to buy a house, or by this time next month I want to build a house. You will tell them. After everything, you will not get that money, talk less of to build a house. Or by this time next month I want to get married. The man will just come and tell you the marriage is over. Do you think that it's ordinary hand? It's not ordinary. Something is behind it. I want you to learn how to keep your secret. When you have anything good like that, just keep it to yourself. When there is time, after God has done everything, then we see it, then we open mouth. Why did you not tell me? Sorry, it just comes soon. Yeah, I did not expect it. It just comes suddenly. Finish. There are some people you are mingling with. Don't you know that some people use somebody's glory to shine? When you will tell them anything good about you, then we go to wherever they want to go to. Then we take your glory. You will be suffering. That is why we need to keep our mouth shut. We need to open God and be joyful. Happiness. When you are happy, when you are rejoicing, devil will give way. When they are doing anything evil against you, they see that you are not feeling it. They see that the thing is not hurting you. Then we give way. They will say, And by that time, your light will continue to shine. God's light will shine upon your life. So far, never forget to pray. Bible say, pray season out of season. He said, when you call upon my name, whatever you are passing through, I will answer you. And no matter the battle, no matter anything at all, I will be with you. So far you call upon my name and give your life to me. Open your heart to me and let me enter inside your heart. And see great thing I will do in your life. And see the goodness of God in your life. As you can see me, I'm shining because God's glory is upon my life. If I look at myself 3 years ago, there is big difference. I always happy. I always rejoice. By that time I'm passing through stress, I call this, I call that. The problem will still be there and it will be increasing. When I decide to say, no, I need to keep my mouth shut. Whatever I'm passing through, I will tell my God. I continue to tell my God my problem. And I continue to be happy. Nobody know how I eat. Nobody know how I live. When the evil see me, they will say, you are shining. Yes, it's the glory of God is shining upon me. All those evil things, all those bad things I have been seeing before, all of them, I don't see it again. My God always stand behind me. He wipe away my tears. He put joy in my face. And I pray for you that God, wherever you are passing through, I don't know, because everybody have their own problem. Whatever you are passing through, God will grant your heart desire. God will answer you at the point of your need. God will change your story the way He changed my story. God will put smiley face in your face. I pray for that spirit of happiness in you, that joy. May the joy of the Lord never cease in your life. May God give you that grace to be having joy, and that grace to wait upon Him, that grace to serve Him. My brothers and sisters, there is nothing like God. Anybody will explain our problem to, they will not solve it. They will all use mouth to say it and go. At the end, they will mock at you. We need to learn how to keep our mouth shut no matter we are passing through. We need to learn how to be open or to be waiting upon God. We need to learn how to move forward. When you don't say anything about yourself, doors will be open for you. If you need husband, God will give you husband. If you need money, God will give you money. If you need healing, God will give you healing. As far as you keep your mouth shut and you hope on God, He's the one that will solve all your problem. He's the one that will give you husband. He's the one that will give you money. He's the one that will meet you at the point of your need. He's the one that will turn your story to glory. He's the one that will put smiley face in your face. He's the one that will settle all your problem. This world we are into is wicked. There are evil people everywhere. There are devil agents that they send in everywhere. But they are human beings like me and you. You don't know them. It's only God know them. So my brothers and sisters, as you listen to this, my advice, you take it. You will see the light of God upon your life. You will see everything turning around for your good. Since I started keeping my mouth shut, nobody know anything about me. My life has changed. I keep my mouth shut. It's not only keep my mouth shut. I always pray in my secret place to my God, to my Heavenly Father. And God has done a great thing in my life. God turned my story to joy. God wiped away my tears and put new song in my mouth. That the same God will put new song in your mouth in Jesus' name. That the same God will answer all your heart desire. Beware from friends. It's not that you cannot greet friend. You can make friend. Good morning, good morning. Salutation is not love. But don't tell any of your problem to any of your friend. Don't tell it to any of your friend. Instead of you to tell them, lay down on your knees, cry to your maker, because he's your maker. Cry to him. He will answer you. That is all I have to say to you, my brothers and sisters. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. And anytime I upload a new video, press that bell there. Anytime I will play or I upload a new video, you will see it. I will always come and talk to you, my brothers and sisters, to come and encourage you. And I know God will answer you and wipe away your tears and turn your story to joy. The way God turned my story to joy. The name my father gave to me, my mother gave to me, is working in my life. God turned my story to joy. And joy, I always rejoice every day. I always happy. All my enemy, they try. They see that they did not see any way to enter me anymore. They give way. Because the glory of God is upon my life. Then see the fire of God upon me. So then give way. That is all I have to say. Thank you, my loved ones. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. I love you all. I love all of you so much. I will always come and encourage you, to come and talk to you. Thank you. Bye. Subscribe and press that bell. I love you all. If you love my message, just comment. Bye. From now, I love you.